So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can allow camera and microphone permissions on Google Chrome. So first of all, open the Chrome browser on your PC. Now here, click on these three dots. Now click on Settings. Here, on the left pane, click on Privacy and Security. Now here scroll down and click on Site Settings. Now here scroll down until you reach Permission section. Now here click on Camera. Now from here, click on the drop down menu. Now select your camera, for example this one. And now, here select Sites can ask to use your camera. Now this will enable camera. Now go back. Now here scroll down and click on microphone. Now from here, click on the drop down menu. And now select your microphone, for example this one. Now here select Sites can ask to use the microphone. And this will enable microphone. So this way I can allow camera and mic permission on Google Chrome. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.